Game of Thrones 24726. Ooh. You have 3 count. What? Were they the same cards from my little run that I did? If you saw my video. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Walder Bolton, all the way down to the High Sparrow. That's 5 times. No, as in like the the ones that I did on Instagram. I did a breakdown on Instagram. Seems like it's different. He owns them. Who knows? Okay. I remember hitting a taker. Alright, Viserys Targaryen and Hodor! Hodor. The Watchers on the Wall. To 75. That's just an artwork card. Cool art. Journey to Hardhome, Oberyn Martell. Cactus Jack, Arcade, CM. That's a good list. Richard Brake as the Night King. I forgot his name. Gio Mormont Green, Fist of the Wild Men, Robin Aaron. Darian Harris. High Septon. That is Paul Bentley as Paul Bentley, the High Septon. And a 1-of-1 printing plate of Marjorie Tyrell. Humana. Awooga. Choosing a Direwolf. Tom and Giants thing. Tomorrow night for the editor. Jadad Khan as Dothraki Bloodrider. To the 75, Joffrey Chariot, King Beyond the Wall, and Marjorie Tyrell. Finally, Bron and an auto of Amy Richardson as Marcella Baratheon. Joan Reed to 75. Jojen Reed. Longclaw, Samuel Tarly. And that is Game of Thrones Lord of the Rings 24726.